In this video, I want to talk about how you can get YouTube TV on your Xfinity device. Now there are two methods that you can do this, so I'll quickly show you both of them. Now the first one is if you have Xfinity Flex, what you can do is just plug in the box and connect it to the TV and your Wi-Fi. After that, you can either talk into the microphone or you can just use the apps, but you want to look for YouTube TV inside of there. After that, you just want to install YouTube TV, click sign in, and you should be good to go. Now the other one is if you have Xfinity X1, what you want to do is you just want to press on the remote, and then once you're in there, you just want to use the apps menu and look for YouTube TV. Once you've done that, you should be ready to go, and that's about it, guys. It's pretty simple, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.